Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can send money from our Wise account to GCash account. So for that you need to open up your Wise account, and then you will be able to see this option of send money over here on the top left hand side corner. Just click on it and then select this option as USD or any currency that you have in your Wise account, and select Filipino pesos over here, and then type the amount that you want to use. Suppose you want to send 100 USD, just type 100 over here. After that, click on continue. Then select someone else over here, or you can also select yourself. And then click on this option of e-wallet. And here in this option of wallet provider, just click on it and a list will appear. Just select GCash over here, and then provide other details as the name of the account holder, recipient's e-wallet number, and other details. And after that, just click on confirm. And this way you will be able to send money from your Wise account to the GCash account. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.